Hey, good morning. It's Lisa Mickey Chick at Second Star Travel. Here I am at the perfect day at Coco Cay, Royal Caribbean's private island in the Bahamas. And I just am taking a little bit of a wander around the island. Taking a look at where you have the backside of the water park area over here. On the other side here is the outskirts of the Oasis Lagoon pool. If you want to take a look, it truly is huge. It is so big, you have no idea. All right, you can see the Anthem of the Seas out in the background, and of course Devil's Peak, the highest water slide in North America. I'm not sure how tall it is. I'm gonna have to get back to you on that. But then you can take a look too, and they have a zip line that you could go across. I passed by the tethered balloon a little bit earlier. Here's another look at the Oasis Lagoon pool area. There are so many loungers and umbrellas for everybody to use. It really boggles the mind. I mean, we are here, we've got Empress of the Seas docked next to us. From what I understand, they can berth like 5 ships at the same time. So that's an interesting statistic, and I wonder how that would look on the island. But like I said, there's so many different areas. There are so many chairs and different ways to relax. There's hammocks, there's beanbag chairs. Here's the picnic area. Yeah, so if we go down this path here, we'll find the entrance to the water park area. And I know I'm walking a little bit slow. I'm on sand now. I'm on the path, but yeah, you can see people flying around on the zip lines and just having, you know, the time of their lives. And that's what's really important here on this island, is that there truly is something for every taste and for everyone to do something. So like I said, we're passing by the water park area. Here's a kids splash zone that we're about to pass. This looks really cool. I'm gonna see if I can get onto the other path to kind of just take a peek in. I didn't buy, God bless you, I didn't buy water park passes today. I just wanted to get a good feel for the whole island. So right over here, we've got more of the water park. And you know, if you need a sunscreen or a hat or a shirt to cover up so you don't get burned, you really should be careful with the Bahamian sun. You may think that you tan well, but that sun will get you, especially if you're not here all the time. So keep that in mind. It's a little loud in there. We'll take a little bit more of a walk. Oh, good morning. Okay. All right, and like I said, we're heading towards the entrance to the water park. I only had like 3.5 minutes. So. Yeah, this is a really cool splash zone. We'll have to try that out later. I know it's for the kids, but I want to play there too. Good morning. Okay, let's see what else. People are already having fun at the tallest water slide in the world. Oh, look at this little galleon for kids to play in. Oh, this is a nice touch. Perfect day at Coco Cay. Hello, Anthem. That's the ship that we came in on this morning. And look, you can see the Empress right next to us. One of the older ships, a little bit smaller, but nonetheless important for Royal Caribbean. And yeah, check this out. This is really, really cool. The climb just to get to the zip lines is crazy. Oh, let's take a look. Oh, they still have the Christmas tree up. Merry Christmas! Yeah, we took a holiday sailing. We actually enjoyed New Year's Eve on the ship. That was really cool. Royal Caribbean took care of everybody. We had hats and noisemakers, and they passed out champagne, and we celebrated in the Esplanade, but there were actually a bunch of different private parties around the ship that you could enjoy. And this is the entranceway, and that's where we came in, and we headed over to Chill Island, and I'm gonna head back there. Bye!